Hello friends, today I am with a new video in which we are going to see that how to translate an English subject language wording into any other languages. Yes, whenever you go for a translation, you have to many of the times you have to go for the tools which are there in the translation. Here it is very easy. Yes, like here I am going to see that how I am going to show you how to do it. So let us start. Yes, it is a very interesting thing. You will go by Google Docs. Already I have explained you about Google Docs in that video. Please go to that video and please subscribe my channel. So let us see. We will go with blank. In that voice tapping I have explained you. Again we will see once. In tools we are having voice tapping. In that you can do the selection of the language. Like here I have done of English. Hello, how are you all? What's up? So you can see this thing that I have written. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that how we can translate it in different languages. I've already made one file. In that I have it, the English story. Okay, in that one paragraph I will just show you. This one paragraph I'm doing copy and pasting over here. Now I want to translate this thing in Hindi. Yes, it is possible. It is possible. Even by voice tapping you can do if you are having in your textbook, right? And you want to write it in the Word file, then you can do with the help of voice tapping in the laptop. Yes, now I will go with the tools. In that I have the option of translate document. Yes, translate document. In that I want to select the language, like I'm going to select it over here, Hindi. Yes, in Hindi I'm going to translate it. So what I want to give to the name to my document, so Hindi translation. Yes, Hindi translation. I have given the name and click on translate. So it will make another document in which it will be translated. You can see over here, right, the translation of the story. The same way we can do for another language, like my language. I can say that in Gujarati, if I want to do, I don't know Gujarati, but yes, I want to do that thing. So what I have to do, I have to select the language, that is Gujarati. Okay, I will go with Gujarati, and then again you will give the name. You will give the name over here, Gujarati translation. Okay, and you will click on translate. So your document will be translated. Please keep it in mind that you will translate the whole document. Okay, we also have another option over here, that is of Google Translate, right? We are having in the web store Google Translate. As I will click on Google Translate, if some of the words you don't understand, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, right, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, Google Translate, you will go for it in the web store, right? So I will go Google Translate extension. Okay, I will go for the Google Translate extension. You can see a chrome.google.com. I will click on it. I already have it, so yes, it will be written over here that if you want to remove it. I already have it, so you can see it over here in add-ons. Okay, here in the add-ons you can see over here that Google Translate. I'll just click on Google Translate, and you can see here you can even write, okay, and even you can say it. Here it is given that from Gujarati to English you want to translate it, or you want to translate from English to Gujarati or Spanish or any other language. Okay, so yes, I can go by the voice input also. Hello, how are you all? You can see hello, તમે બધા કેમ છો? Okay, so this way you can do it. If you want for some of the things, like some sentence you cannot understand, अगर आप कोई सेंटेंस समझ नहीं पा रहे हो तो उसे आप लिख कर भी कर सकते हो, और यहाँ आपको सिलेक्शन करना है. Here you are having many languages over here. You can see that there are many languages. Just on click you can see here there are many languages. आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज ले लो, बंगाली ले लो, right? You can take Arabic or any of the language in which you want to do the translation. Hope you all have understand it. Another thing, yes, here when we are writing the text, as you will write here, you will get here the translation of that namaste, right? You can see over here, right? So this is about it. Next, I will write it the next sentence over here. Okay, and you can see here. Okay, so this is the way that you can do the translation in many of the languages. Even I will show you over here in Hindi if I want to do it. Yes, here we will go with Hindi. You can see तुम क्या कर रहे हो. Okay, some of the grammatical problems may be there but not fully. Okay, at least 70% वो match करेगा ही करेगा. So hope you all have understand it, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.